What do you do when you have sore shoulders and they're stiff and you just can't get rid of that pain? Let me guess. The most common thing you're probably doing is either stretching or maybe taking an anti-inflammatory. But I'm here to share with you a few effective alternatives to help you relieve that pain, get your shoulders stronger, and prevent it from coming back.
This exercise is the band pull apart. You want to make sure your arms are fairly straight and there's always tension as you're pulling the band out and in. You want to make sure the band's roughly about chest height as you're doing this, and exhale as you're pulling the band apart, and inhale as you're allowing it to come back in.
That's one out of the 3 strength exercises for your shoulders that I'll be sharing with you today. It's very common that you have shoulder pain when your shoulders are weak and they're not moving quite well. I'm a mobility coach helping you move pain-free so you can enjoy doing all the activities that you're probably putting off. Let's get to the second exercise.
This exercise is a stationary shoulder press with resistance band. So you want to start off with wrapping or looping your resistance band under one foot, preferably the same side as you're going to be pressing the band straight up. So when you're pressing the band straight up, you want to make sure your abdominals are nice and tight. You don't want to be bending from side to side. In this video, I'm showing more of a half extension, so I'm not extending my arm all the way because I want to do more of a pulsing, pumping action on my shoulders. But regularly, I either be extending fully all the way up so my arms are fully straight and not halfway. It's just a different variation of doing a stationary shoulder press. So this next exercise is the shoulder lateral raise or side raise. So we're working the middle or the lateral shoulder delt. And for this particular exercise, I'm using a cross body movement. So I've got the band wrapped under my opposite foot from the arm that I'm actually raising. This way I'm keeping tension all the time on the band, and that's going to help work my delt a little harder. And every single time when you're raising it up, you want to go to about shoulder height. You don't want to go too high with this movement. You want to breathe out as you're bringing it up. And the reps just work till failure. So you want to just keep going until your body says you can't do it anymore.
There you have it. Incorporating a few strength exercises for your shoulders can definitely pay off in the long run. If you like these exercises, hit that like button, save it for later, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you very soon.